For more than 3 decades, we've been pioneering subsea innovation. From the iconic MORGRIP pipeline connectors and clamps, safeguarding subsea integrity since the 1980s, to advanced subsea tools, valves, software and control systems trusted by operators across the globe. Innovation drives us forward. From the world's first vertical deepwater riser repair to the world's first 2-inch soft sea and subsea ball valves rated at 15 KSI. Collaboration is our strength. Through the Subsea Distribution Alliance, we share a vision to shape the next era of subsea infrastructures. From first bolt to first flow.